What's up, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to stream your gameplay, whether it's Xbox or your computer, using open broadcasting software, um, pretty much to your Twitch or anything else. And I'm also going to show you the settings I use and how to stream at 60 frames per second and so on. So as you can see here, I'm going to open up Google Chrome and we're going to go to Twitch. I don't know why it didn't just open. We're going to go to Twitch, and I'm just going to show you guys that I have a stream. Restore. We'll get out of this. Okay. So here's my YouTube. So we're going to go to my Twitch. And see how I stream at 720p plus 60 frames per second. If I go to my dashboard, I do stream often. And then just to show you at 720p. I don't think you can do it on this. But I don't know if you could see this clear, but this is pretty much how I stream. Stream Call of Duty. And what I use to stream is open broadcasting software. So you could go to obsproject.com. I'll leave this link in the description. You could just download it. So yeah, you download that. And then once you have that downloaded, you're ready to go. Most of you people probably use XSplit, but with XSplit, my quality is not great. I drop a lot of frames with it. And you know, it's just not the best experience. Although XSplit does have better features for your presentation. As OBS, since it's a free program, it has delay and everything, which is not free on XSplit. But with OBS, it's really not as easy to move around your presentation. So I'm gonna open up OBS. This program opens really fast. The only thing I don't like about it is that you don't have a constant display. So I'm just going to preview the stream to show you guys what my stream layout looks like, and we'll get this going. So this is what it looks like. I have my thing up here, you know, you could take it away. But see, with XSplit, you could just drag your image, drag your image around. It's perfect. This one, it has to be in a perfect location. So, I have a custom text. So pretty much you just add sources for like video capture devices, like I use Naver Media, Blackmagic. Game captures, like if you want to capture Minecraft on the PC. Text, just simple text like this. What else is there? Image slideshow is like pretty much just multiple images, and they'll scroll through. Image, which I have up at the top left of my presentation. Monitor capture, which is right here, which goes to see what I'm doing here. And then window capture would be like a specific window you choose. So now that we got over with, plugins you don't need. We'll just okay. That if you link your dashboard, which I'll show you, that takes you to your stream. Anyways, back to the software. Global sources I don't really use. So I mean, like I said, this is how you add the source. You just add a scene, and then you go into your scene and you add your sources. Okay, so what you guys are here for is probably the settings. So obviously, I'm English, so I'm gonna do that, and then I don't really have it named. So I mean, it's whatever. Okay, encoding, no. Encoding, don't check this. You don't want to use a constant bit rate. Constant bit rate would cause it to be choppy at points. Because notice when you stream, when you're playing Call of Duty, your bit rate needs a higher thing when you're moving around. And then when you're sitting at the menu, it doesn't use that much bit rate. It's just a steady picture, pretty much, like sitting at the menu. So you don't want it always streaming at 5,000, just because it's like, it'll be choppy at moments. Okay, quality balance for games like first-person shooter games, you want around 6 to 8. I use 8, or I'll put 7 on. 7 or 8. I'll probably use 8. And then if you're playing games like League of Legends, StarCraft, where it's pretty much just not that like difficult of an image, not where you're moving around, not a first person. You want 10 because you want that quality to be perfect. And when you're moving, and if you have 10, your best quality, it'll get choppy. You don't want 1 because then you won't have good quality, if that makes sense. You want to use a custom buffer size. You want your buffer size to be a little bit bigger than your max bit rate. So now you guys don't understand what this bitrate stuff is. Most of you guys probably is like, oh, I bet you 10,000 is the best. Well, technically, if you could stream at 10,000 bitrate, you'll have a really good stream. You'll have good quality, shouldn't lag, and but if somebody that's sitting at home has like the cheapest Comcast internet, their stream will lag for you because that's too much bitrate for their internet. Now 5,000 bitrate is about 5 upload speed, and 5,500 is about 5.5 upload speed. So to check that out, you could just go to tab in your internet, go speedtest.net, and just run the test and see what yours is. So I'm gonna run the test for you guys so you can see what what mine is. So I have Comcast cable, and I'm gonna begin my my speed test. My ping is not that great. I have a good download, 55. I think my upload's like 6 to 12 maybe. I don't really know. Alright, let's see what my upload goes. Okay, so see right there, right now, I could stream on what it is, and I could stream at 9,000 bit rate. I could stream at 10,000 bit rate, but like I said, it would be laggy for people who only have a 4 upload speed. So I try to keep it low. This is good because it's enough bitrate for people who are streaming at 60 frames per second use. So yeah, just keep it in that range because you don't want to go high because your computer probably can't handle it, your internet can handle it. It's just like I said, the people who are watching it really don't get a good experience out of it. And then your audio encoding, AAC is better than MP3. So I use AAC, and then I mean, it doesn't really matter. I probably use 128. So you want to apply those, and then this is just your where you set up your live stream. So I have a live stream. I go to Twitch, and then I live in Chicago, a suburb of Chicago. So I choose Chicago. I have auto correct. You put your stream key. If you don't know what your stream key is, I'll leave a link in the description. Auto reconnect. I just have that. Delay is 30 seconds because I was just testing it out earlier. I stream GB matches, and then your link to your dashboard, which you could really put any link. Because as you can see earlier, you just click dashboard and it'll take you to that. So I'm going to get out of this right now. So apply this, and see right here, dashboard just takes you to that dashboard link you put in. So you could probably put in anything. So back to the settings, the video, you keep your video adapter what it's set at, and then this is what you want your stream base resolution to be at. So when I stream to Twitch, it will give the users the opportunity to choose 720. So you want to do the custom 1280 by 720 because it will be set to your, when you first set it up, it will be set to my computer size, which is 1600 by 900. Now, who wants to watch Xbox gameplay in that size? I mean, it doesn't work because my thing streams at 720, 1080, and so on. So you don't want to downscale, and this is where your frames per second. Now, if you have a good computer like I do, I have an 8-core 4 point something thing. I probably won't show it. See if it loads. I don't think it'll load up. But yeah, I have an 8-core computer, 4 something gigahertz, 16 RAM. So yeah, okay. I don't know if you could see this. I doubt you could see it. So this is what I'm rocking, which is pretty good. So I could easily stream at 60 frames per second, and like I said, if you stream to 30 frames per second, this bitrate is more, like, way more needed than what you need. Now 60 frames per second, this is perfect, that's what you need, but if you're streaming at 30 frames per second, you really don't need this high of a bitrate. So down to your audio, this is where you set up your microphone. So if I want to use my Astros, my webcam to talk or something, you just set up your push to talk. This is pretty self-explanatory. And then this is advanced. Now this is important. This I'm going to use normal because that's what I had it on. I was just messing around. So this is pretty much what I use. Scene buffering time 400. This is all default. This is default too. Now this is this is dangerous to mess around with. Do not change this to anything lower than very fast. So you don't want faster, you don't want fast, you don't want medium, you don't want slow. Because if you have this on slow and you're streaming, it will blow up your CPU and it's not good. Your computer will lag. It's awful. So pretty much, I mean, if you have an i7, like a really high class i7, you could probably go to faster or fast. I say it very fast just because it doesn't really matter. And then you don't want a custom frame rate or constant frame rate because, like I said earlier, you don't want it always. It automatically you know, what should I say? It automatically does it for you, so it's perfect. And if you keep it at 1 frame rate the whole time, like I said, some scenes of the game would be different. You don't want custom. You don't want this. That's not good. You don't want that. And then you don't want to allow 61 because I mean, games don't even on Xbox games don't play at 120 frames per second. So why would you stream at a game that's at 60 frames per second? You know what I mean? Audio, I don't really mess with this nor the network. So once you have that up, all set up, for you advanced people, this microphone noise gate is not something I really use, so I'm not going to go into it. And guys, that's pretty much how you stream for a Call of Duty player. And I also explained how you would stream with, like if you're streaming League of Legends, like I said, with a quality balance. So guys, that's about it. You stop your preview, and then you just click start streaming, and you could just go to your stream. And you will see it live in 30 seconds because I have that 30-second delay, so you have it open right here. So like I said, guys, this is pretty much what it is. It's a lot better than XSplit. It's free, and it pretty much has all the benefits or all the selections and resources XSplit has, and it's all free. So like I said, guys, I started streaming, so when it will go to my Twitch, so you can see 30 seconds went by, and now it's sending frames to it. And then here we go live right here, and we are live on Twitch, 720p. Looks good, everything's good, so that's working. And really quick for you guys, to get your stream key, I'll leave the link in the description, but you just go to your dashboard and you go to streaming apps, and then you show your key. I'm not going to show it to you guys, so you guys can start streaming to my thing. But pretty much it's this link, so I'll leave that down in the description. Hope you guys enjoy. Like I said, I use an AverMedia Live Gamer HD. Most of you guys probably use Blackmagic's or HD PVRs to stream Call of Duty. But if you guys have any questions, feel free to ask them down below in the comment section, and I'll try to respond. I tried to make this video as best as I could. I think I nailed everything that's necessary. I know I didn't really go on to the sources and what they do, like to show you exactly, but I gave you the idea of it. And like I said, this was just to like help you guys setting up your stream and your bitrate and so on. So once again, guys, I hope this helps. Make sure you subscribe if you like this, and leave a like below and a comment if you need help, and any like suggestions or anything. If you want another video on mainly the sources, just let me know. So yep, guys, that's it. This is Open Broadcaster software. I recommend it over XSplit or Wirecast. I use both. And like I said, this is a lot better, so you guys should check it out. Alright, guys, peace.